First problem I have already discussed in the last week class, and second problem, a reactant reacts according to second order kinetics, and 95% conversion of A is achieved in a single flow reactor. We buy a second reactor identical to the first for the same 95 conversion. By how much is the capacity increased if we operate these two reactors in parallel or in series? So we have to check it, both the connections parallel and series, using reactors are both plug flow, and second option, the reactors are both mixed flow. Solution: second order kinetics minus Ra is equal to Kca square. Conversion is 0.95. So in PFR, expression is V by Fa naught is equal to Ca0 0 to Xa dxa by minus Ra. Now all Ca0 is replaced by C0 only. A is not written. When two identical PFRs are arranged in series, we can write the equation separately. V1 by F0 and V2 by F0 with the integral 0 to x1, and in the second reactor x1 to x2 when these are in series. So in the graphical explanation we have seen that integral from 0 to x1 plus x1 to x2, these two will be the single integral, that is 0 to x2 only, and the volume will be summation of the total area under the curve, that is V1 plus V2 by Fa0 is equal to 0 to x2 dx by minus Ra. And here we can write 2V by F0 is equal to 0 to 0.95. Final conversion is 0.95. So we have one equation. And for single PFR, V by Fa0, that is feed rate is different, initial feed rate, and in series, that is F0, it is different feed rate. We have to compare this F0 and Fa0. So once PFR, we can write 0 to 0.95, the same expression. So we can equate V by Fa0 is equal to 2V by F0. Because volume is twice, that we have proved, V1 plus V2 is V. So the feed rate will be increased by twice, that is doubled. So the feed rate will be doubled if we arrange two PFR in series, and if we connect two PFR in parallel, again you check, and for parallel connection we should always maintain tau 1 is equal to tau 2. So for identical reactors, again V1 is equal to V2. We have for reactors in parallel, and feed rate will be splitted into separate feed rate F01 and F02 in case of parallel connection. We can show it, that is, this is first reactor, this is first reactor, and this is second reactor, and this feed rate will be distributed in two parts, that is F01 This is F01, this is F02. This is F02 and this is F01 and this is F0. So F0 is 2 F01. This is also another equation where we'll get the flow rates are same because V by FA0 tau is kept same for both the cases. So the feed rate must be same. Tau must be same. So volume is same. So F01 must be equal to F02. So total flow rate is 2 F01. So the feed rate can be doubled in this case. And for single reactor volume, in case of CSTR, previous discussion was when both reactors are plug flow reactor, and here both reactors are CSTR. Then from the equation tau is equal to Ca naught Xa by minus Ra, we can write X2 by 1 minus Xa for single reactor, and this is 0.95 and this is 380. After calculation, after substitution of conversion and calculating, we get 380. So tau k Ca0 is known, it is 380. So V by V01 is equal to 380 by kCa0, and V kCa0 by V small v01 is equal to 380. This is equation 1. And when two CSTRs are arranged in series with X2 is equal to 0.95, then substitute tau2 kCa0. This is for two CSTR in series. This will be new tau2, and for first reactor this is X2 minus X01, and intermediate conversion is X01. So second reactor X2 minus X01 by 1 minus X2. Achha, the square will be there. Square is missing. Achha. So tau2 kCa0, it is same for both the reactor because volume is same, and volumetric flow rate is also new volumetric flow rate but same. New volumetric flow rate is V02. It is written here V02. So tau2 kCa0 must be same for both the mole balances. Then equate these two. And from this equation, you will get a quadratic equation of x1. We can solve it, or by trial and error method, you can solve this. This is 0.8525. X1 is 0.8525, that is 85% conversion. And then VkCa0 by V02 is 39. Substitute this x1 here. Achha, this is intermediate conversion 85, and final conversion it is same. Not given. Actually, at the bottom it is not coming. From equation 1 and 2, you will get V02 is 9.74 times V01. Just 1 minute. I'll check it. Now it has come, that is from equation 1 and 2, V02 is becoming 9.74 times V01. So the flow rate can be increased by about 9.74 times that of initial flow rate if we connect two CSTR in series. Now next, if we connect two CSTR in parallel and two identical CSTR in parallel, again we can write that is F01 plus F02 two flow rates, and also F01 is equal to F02. So 2F01 is equal to 2. So for two equal size CSTR in parallel, the feed rate again this will be doubled to maintain the same conversion 95%. So parallel, initial case it was doubled, and for PFR, and CSTR it is also doubled. But in case of two CSTR in series, it is different. It is 9.74 times. And two plug flow reactor in series, you got it is doubled. That is both the cases, the feed rate can be doubled. But in case of only series connection for CSTR, it is different. It is 9.74 times that of feed rate. Problem 3, it is given. I have to derive for concentration if n number of different CSTRs connected in series, all are unequal sizes, that is V1, V2, V3, V4, etc. are not same, different size. Then what you do, you write ith reactor, some intermediate reactor whose residence time is tau y, and n number of different CSTR can be considered. Then you write the expression, that is for ith reactor from the single reactor mole balance tau is equal to Ca0 minus Ca by minus Ra, using this expression only. And for ith reactor you substitute here I minus 1, that is Ci minus 1, and C minus Ci, and this reaction is first order assumption. So this will be K CAI, and from there you will get tau y, and K multiplied by tau y plus 1 is equal to concentration ratio, that is inlet to outlet concentration ratio. Similarly, for individual reactors, first reactor, second reactor, third reactor, successively we can write C0 by 1 plus K tau 1 is equal to C1. C2 is C1 by 1 plus K tau 2. C3 is C2 by 1 plus K tau 3. And after multiplication of all this term, that is 1 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, that is intermediate all concentration terms will be eliminated out, only final and first, that is initial feed concentration will remain, and you will get C3 is equal to C0 by this. As this is n number of reactor, you can write here Cn. For up to third reactor, you will use 3 terms only, 3 product. So you can solve for total volume of the reactors, intermediate concentration by simultaneous solution of all these equation. Otherwise, I have explained graphically you can solve it by plotting rate as a function of concentration and drawing the slope starting from Ca0 like this. We have to plot rate versus concentration. This is rate, and this is concentration, And from C0 you have to draw the line with a slope this 1 by tau minus. Then you draw the vertical line. Again you draw another straight line with a different slope which is equal to 1 by minus 1 by tau 2. And for the third reactor, the slope of this operating line will be minus reciprocal of tau 3. And finally you will get from here C3. So graphically, if you like, you can solve it. Otherwise you have to solve all these equations simultaneously. That is, if C0 is known, you can C0 given, you can calculate C1, then substitute C1, you will get C2, and then C2 is substituted here at C3. Mind that if tau 1, tau 2, tau 3 and rate constants are known, but if it is not given, by trial and error method we can find out the sizes. And also if you get the intermediate concentrations only, then you can find out the size of the reactors. Say C1, C2, C0 are mentioned. C0, C1, C2. You can find out tau 1, tau 2, tau 3. From there, you calculate the volume of the individual reactors. So I'm giving example of how to solve the problems for multiple reactors, CSTRs. Now, here is a problem, second order kinetics carried out in a plug flow reactor. And liquid phase elementary reaction is A plus B2 R plus S. And for equimolar amounts of A and B are added. Ca0 is equal to Cb0 is equal to 0.9 mole per liter. And final conversion is 94%. This is carried out in a plug flow reactor where 94% conversion is achieved. Now if a new reactor of 10 times large as the plug flow reactor is connected in series with the plug flow reactor, this is proposed, not connected. Which unit needs to be arranged first in series to enhance the production rate? That is PFR followed by CSTR. That is, CSTR will be connected after PFR or before PFR. That you have to decide solving the problem. So first you assume individual plug flow reactor where you get 94% conversion. Reaction you assume it is second order, and as Ca0 is equal to Cb0, we can write 2A to R plus S type reaction. Write the mole balance. Tau is equal to Ca0 by K Ca0 square integral 0 to xa dxa by 1 minus xa square. After integration, we will get 1 by 1 minus xa minus 1, this equation. Substitute Ca0 0.9, xa 0.94. Then you get the expression tau is equal to 17.41 by K. Or V by V0 is 17.41 by K. Or we can write capital V is equal to 17.41 V0 by K. It is volume of the plug flow reactor. It is obtained in terms of the ratio of flow rate by rate constant. These are unknown parameters. And if we assume CSTR, whether it is connected, it is not known now, but volume is known 10 times. We can write Vm is equal to 10 Vp, plug flow reactor volume, 10 times that of plug flow reactor volume. And Vp is already obtained 17.41. We substitute this 17.41 by K V naught. and you will get 174.1 V0 by K. This is another expression. Vn is equal to this. If we consider CSTR PFR in series, and first case, PFR is followed by CSTR, that is CSTR is added after PFR, and PFR conversion is already known, 94%. So if we add CSTR, then what will be the conversion? We write the mole balance for CSTR, C0x2 minus x1 by R2. R2 is K Ca0 square, 1 minus x2 square. And what is V? V is 174.V0 by K. If you substitute here Vm by V0, V0 cancelled out. And we'll get the equation quadratic like this, where you will get the positive root having the value 0.9833. X2 is 0.9833. So by arranging reactors in series, the conversion increases from 94 to 98.33%. Next, we have to see that is CSTR followed by PFR. Write the CSTR volume taking C0 x1 by RA, because this is added before plug flow reactor. So expression will be simply x1 minus 0 or x1, because initial conversion is 0 when CSTR is added first. Substitute the volume 174.1 V0 by K. V0 cancelled out. Then here also you can solve it for intermediate conversion, which is 0.923. That is from this quadratic equation. We can find out x1 is 0.923 intermediate. Then in PFR, x2 is not known, but lower limit x1 is known, and better you complete the integration. Then you will get one equation. Then you solve it. So tau is V by V naught. V is plug flow reactor volume, that is 17.41 V0 by K. V0 again cancelled out. So we'll get this equation. Integrate from x1 to x2, and x1 in the previous reactor already obtained, x1 is 0.923. Substitute x1 is 0.923, then by trial and error method solve it, where x2 you will get 0.965. No trial error is required, directly you can solve it. Simplify this equation and solve it. So what is the conversion? 96.5%, and initially it was 94, so 2.66% increase, and in the previous case 4.61% increase of conversion was observed, that is 94 to 98.33%, and it is 4.61%. So what is your conclusion? You can write for series arrangement PFR followed by CSTR, X is 0.983, and for CSTR followed by PFR, X is 0.965. This X is 0.965 and X is 0.9833. So this type of problems are there in Levenspool book, that is one CSTR, next PFR. CSTR, PFR are same volume or different volume or arranged in different order. So by manipulation of different arrangements, several problems are given. You have to practice some problems. And problem number 5, the elementary liquid phase reaction A plus B to R plus S. This is another problem. This is conducted in a setup consisting of mixed reactor into which two reactants are introduced, followed by a plug flow reactor. The component B is used in a large excess, so we can assume it is first order kinetics with respect to A. And various ways to increase the production are suggested, one of which is to reverse the order of these units. How would this change affect conversion? That is one mixed reactor followed by a plug flow reactor. It is also similar problem. So I need not show this problem. Similar problem. But here no data is given, only derivation. But you see this, it is first order, that is the difference. Second order case you have already seen, there will be increase of conversion. But in case of, that is, in case of PFR followed by CSTR 98.33% and CSTR followed by PFR it is 96.5%. So this was different. But in case of, it was second order kinetics, and in case of first order kinetics, again, there is no data, numerical data, you have to derive it only. Consider CSTR followed by PFR. Write the mole balance for CSTR. Substitute the rate equation first order. Then tau n is equal to C0 minus C1 Kc1. And after rearrangement, C1 is C0 by 1 plus K tau n. And in PFR, then CA0 to CAF, this is PFR expression. So tau p is this, and rate is this. So if we substitute C1 to C2, then K tau p is equal to ln CA1 by CA2. All CA1 is written in simply C1 and C2. Now C1 by C2 is exponential, or C2 by C1 is exponential minus KT, K tau p, this expression. And C1 is known from the previous reactor, it is substituted. So C2 is C0 by 1 plus tau m K exponential minus K tau p. And case 2, PFR followed by CSTR. Again you write the mole balance for PFR. Get tau, K tau p is minus ln C1 by C0. So C1 is C0 exponential minus K tau p, and this C0 is obtained, not C0, C1, it is obtained from CSTR, and CSTR C1 minus C2. So from here you can get C1, and C2 is equal to C1 by this. So C2 is C1 by this. You can substitute this C1 here again. You get the same expression. That is C2 is C0 exponential K tau p by 1 plus tau m K. And the previous case also C2 C0 by 1 plus tau m K e to the power minus K tau p. So it is observed but both the arrangements, it is giving same conversion because C2 is same. Suppose this problem, the numerical values are introduced, rate kinetics is given, and reactor volumes are mentioned, or tau given, tau values. So you can compare this numerically. That is, you will get the same conversion for both the cases. Acha, this is a problem for kinetic study using multiple reactor system. Read the problem statement. The kinetics of the liquid phase decomposition of A is studied in two mixed flow reactors in series. The second unit having twice the volume of the first one. At steady state with a feed containing 1 mole A per liter, that is Ca0. Mean residence time is 96 seconds in the first reactor. The concentration of A in the first reactor is 0.5 mole per liter and second reactor is 0.25 mole per liter. Find the kinetic equation for the decomposition of A. Now I will ask you to solve this problem here. All of you to try to solve this problem. That is to write two separate mole balances. Take a paper and solve this problem. Then I will ask you have to share it. Aditya Choudhury is there. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Just observe. Can you are not the organizer, I think, today. I'll make you organizer now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, your name is in the presenter mode.
Okay, sir.
You can do anything. What is happening? Nobody is taking interest, most probably.